We are out of this joint. You hear me? You have to do that every time. That's hilarious.
I know, literally every fucking time.
Shit, 25, no shot. Oh shot. He's like, yeah. Yeah. He's pissed because he didn't get a good wheelie for him. What's up? Hell yeah, dude. Hey, Hunter Theus, the YouTube. Yeah. He goes, you got that on video? Yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay. Yeah. 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 God, this thing is loud. That's hilarious. He goes, you got that on video? Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Bro, it's so weird like going fast on a, like it feels totally, it just feels, because like in a car 60 would feel fast as shit on this, I feel like, but on a bike it's just like man, we cruising, boy. Go left up here. Bro, I hit like 105. What? I went like 105. 105. You hit 105? Dude, I hit it. I was like, I'm going, bro. I was gone. Dude, if I had more, I would have been right behind you, bro. You need to get a sport bike. I think next year I'm gonna get one. For real? Yeah. Bro, then like, that would be sick as f. I want to get a Gixxer 750. A Gixxer 750? Yeah. They sound sick as fuck. work ahead, bro. There ain't even a bridge ahead, bro. What are you doing, boy? Ah, what a fun night, eh? Wanna head back?
That's cool.
Alright, we can just go straight.
Okay.
We can go straight.
No, go left.
Okay.
Oh wait. We could go that way too, actually.
I don't care.
Don't matter.
Just go left. Damn. This fucking bike is so damn loud. Yeah, you already know it's a bridge, bro. I don't even need to say anything, bro. Like, here. Ready, set, go. Yeah. I think that's it for tonight's vlog. A little fun one, just see what's going on around here. Like, that's what I'm saying, bro. Shit always be happening. It's funny. Yeah, I think that'll be it for tonight's vlog. But yeah, if you liked it, make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment below, baby. I'll try to answer your questions or whatever you gotta say, you know. Just chat, say something down there, you know. And subscribe, baby. Subscribe, baby. Road to 250. I don't know if when I upload this, but we might be at 250 by the time I upload it. We'll see. I might save it for winter. I told you guys about the plans for winter. I don't have that uploaded. I'm working on it though. I'm editing it. But yeah, if you like the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, ride safe. Over and out.